Cybersecurity is a subset of the IT field that's experiencing rapid growth. That growth has brought the industry to a valuation of over $170 billion in revenue per year. As digital security services rise in popularity, it's becoming apparent to businesses that if they're not hopping on the bandwagon, they may end up victims of hacks, leaks, and other online threats that could hobble their organizations. That thought has led many to invest in crafting a cybersecurity strategy. If the prospect of putting together a digital security plan to protect your business data seems daunting, you're not alone, and we're here to help. We will share tips regarding key things to stay mindful of that'll help guide your process. But before that, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Comment that you subscribe and I will personally reply to your comments. Number 1. Familiarize yourself with risks. Appreciating the urgency of creating a cybersecurity strategy before you begin making investments is key. With an understanding of how common security threats are and how they've affected competing businesses, you'll find the prospect of cutting corners less attractive as you start exploring solutions. Familiarizing yourself with security risks can be done via running an online search for data leaks. Better yet, formalize your familiarization process by talking to security consultants and asking them to brief you on what risk factors your industry is experiencing. Number 2. Understand your budget. You could believe that there is no line item more important to your business than security investments. Despite that, if you don't have the budget to back up that belief, you'll be limited in what you can do. Because of that, before you start engaging vendors and exploring solutions, sit down with your finance point person to see what you can afford. Don't get discouraged if you're finding your monthly spending can't align with your security vision. You'll be surprised by just how far your dollars can stretch in today's market. Number 3. Staff up. One of the most expensive aspects of initiating your security plan will be putting bodies on your project. If those bodies are going to come in the way of bringing on full-time employees, expect to spend a lot. The average full-time cybersecurity specialist makes over $70,000 per year, not including benefits. You'll probably need to hire a security lead at that rate and a couple of lower-level team members per your project's scope. Number 4. Consider a consultant, external group. If your head is spinning looking over the cost of bringing on internal headcount, don't get too stressed out. You've got options. When developing a cybersecurity strategy, many opt to go with external specialists that work several accounts in addition to their companies. That diversity of clientele enables you to pay less working with vendors than you would working with an internal team. Even if you're insistent on working with an internal team, bringing on an external consultant to help guide your security strategy is helpful. Third-party agencies often come with unique experiences that can help you develop a more robust plan. Number 5. Opt for a phased rollout. You've got a team in place. That team has identified key risks for your company, and you're getting ready to implement changes that'll plug those risks. Before you flip the figurative on switch to execute your changes, take a step back and appreciate the risks. Making changes to your systems and workflows can and almost always does cause downstream issues. These issues can immobilize your business if you're not careful. Staying cognizant of that, we recommend rolling your strategy out in phases so you can ensure stability step by step. When you exercise that sort of patience, you set yourself up for fewer hiccups and a better return on your investment. Number 6. Be prepared to adjust course. No cybersecurity strategy is perfect at its inception. As yours rolls out, you'll identify hurdles that'll force you to make new decisions. Some problems may even lead you back to the drawing board. Know that setbacks when implementing a security strategy can be a good thing. It enables you to eliminate ideas that aren't working and further strengthen your defenses. As a matter of fact, you should learn how to select the best penetration testing company for your business and have your selection try to break into your systems at every phase of your security rollout. In doing that, you can let your ideas crash faster so you can make them bulletproof as quickly as possible. Number 7. Plan on continued support. Cyber threats are constantly evolving. So too should your security strategy. Don't think of your security investments as a one-and-done spend. Think of them as spends that are front-loaded but will then beg continued, smaller investments so you can continue to stay ahead of the curve. By making those investments and keeping wary of your security year-round, you can have full confidence that your business will withstand not only today's issues but tomorrow's. Start drafting your cybersecurity strategy today. Every moment your business operates without a cybersecurity strategy in place is a moment you could lose everything. Stop rolling the dice and start being proactive in protecting your company. All you have to do to get started: take our steps to heart, pick up the phone, and call a security consultant. We wish you the best as you improve your defense against common cyber threats. If you liked this video, share the love and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Why not leave a comment below and let us know what you think? See you in our next video.